वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे। बड़ी ही पॉजिटिव अपडेट के साथ ये वीडियो दोस्तों बना रहे हैं फॉर ऑल द पेंशनर्स। काइंडली प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट। स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे। डियर फ्रेंड्स, दीज आर द व्यूज़ ऑफ श्री आचार्य जी, जो कि प्रेसिडेंट हैं ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स रिटायरी कॉन्फेडरेशन के। Of course, it is true that issues referred by him as 30% family pension, 100% DA neutralization for pre-November 2002 retirees got solutions. In State Bank of India, 50%, 40% got solutions due to the Honorable Delhi High Court case. With lot of hopes, we are pursuing our long pending issues. That is, many of the anomalies get solved only with prospective effects, but most of issues had been the result of United Pharma Bank Union signed settlement, like a reduced ceiling of 4250 for 6th BPS pensioners. Pension and family pension on pre-revised scales for many of them, which continues even now for 3 decades. 1616 1684 dual basic for 7th BPS, of course, rectified only after Murmuru committee recommendations after nearly 2 decades. Special allowance for 10th, 11th and 12th BPS. Acceptance of recordings in the notes of 10th BPS that there is no contractual relationship between banks and its pensioners, etc. All these issues are due to the acceptance of the terms dictated by Indian Bank Association by United Pharma Bank Union leaders for the reason only known to them. Pensioner federations need to have steadfast principles and be committed to pursue on the perking issues like special allowances. Only now commutation factor and the long years of recovery is taken up by the SBI Pensioner Federation, that too after a stay in court for 2 pensioners at Punjab High Court. Pensioner associations and its federation need to take up special allowance issue that leads to reducing the pension. Also ensure to remove the ceiling of 4250 for 6th BPS, sticking to principle of 50% on last drawn average pay. Let us all wish that leaders who come to position remain committed, democratic, steadfast in principle and service minded for protecting pensioners' interest. We are sure that keeping silence on the few issues referred above won't result in its rectification. मिस्टर एम सोम सुंदरम जी। यहाँ पे दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं मिस्टर एम सोम सुंदरम जी की तरफ से है। मिस्टर आचार्य जी की तरफ से क्या यहाँ पे लिखा गया है? Dear Shri Iyer, I hope you will appreciate how one by one the issues are getting resolved, like important in family pension, improvement in ex gratia for pre-1986 retirees, most importantly 100% DA neutralization for pre-2002 retirees, ex gratia to all the pensioners without prejudice to demand of pension updation, option of pension to resignees, etc. We are confident of full updation soon, including final judgment from Honorable Supreme Court. Let us be hopeful with regards, Mr. Acharya ji. ये बड़ी positive update है. They're quite confident of updation of pension. That's all for this session. Kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel दोस्तों, और आप हमें वित्तीय सहायता भी कर सकते हैं दोस्तों by clicking the ज्वाइन बटन। ज्वाइन बटन के माध्यम से आप हमें दोस्तों पे कर सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन। काइंडली शेयर द अपडेट, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस।